Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Zelle with Varo Bank. First, open the Varo Bank app on your phone and make sure you are logged in using your username and password. Once you are on the home screen, look for the menu option or go to the payment section. Look for the option that says Zelle. Tap on it to begin the setup. Next, you will be asked to enroll in Zelle. Tap Get Started or Enroll Now. Now choose how you want to receive money. You can use a phone number or email address. Select one option and enter the details. After that, Varo will send you the verification code by the text message or email. Enter the code in the app to confirm your information. Now choose the Varo account where you want to receive Zelle payment. This is usually your main checking account. Receive the details on the screen. If everything looks correct, tap confirm or finish setup. Once the setup is complete, your Zelle account will be ready to use. You can send and receive money directly from the Varo app using Zelle. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.